Learn how to invigorate health, regain self-esteem and feel younger every day. With just 2 ingredients. In an easy, fast, and very economical way. Watch this video to the end. Click to subscribe to the OPPORTEX Life channel. Leave your likes and click on the bell to receive more tips with content to help you transform your life. Learn all the benefits of kale and orange. And learn how to turn these 2 foods into a powerful liquid to invigorate your health. Have you ever seen or heard of the cabbage? Yes, that's right. This large dark green leaf, it has incredible health benefits and prevents our body from various diseases. Nutritional richness. Kale is part of the group of other powerful vegetables such as arugula, watercress, mustard and broccoli. Kale is easy to be introduced into food, and so it is widely used in different cuisines. It contains low calories, rich in fiber, it has almost 0 fat and a high nutritional richness. In only 67 grams of cabbage contains all these nutritional values. Look at the table. Vitamin A, 206% of IDR, beta-carotene. Vitamin B6, 9% of RDI. Vitamin C, 134% of IDR. Vitamin K, 684% of RDI. Manganese, 26% of RDI. Copper, 10% of IDR. Potassium, 9% of RDI. Magnesium, 6% of RDI. About 3% of the RDI of vitamins. B2, riboflavin. B3, niacin, and minerals, including iron and phosphorus, are also present. Calcium, 9% of RDI. B1, thiamine.